Whee! Cheese vlogs. Rah!
Everybody, today I will be repairing some Joy-Cons. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, the grips are all removed, and these are official, licensed by Nintendo Joy-Con. And here are the parts. Okay, so let's open up the parts. Got a paintbrush. Don't know why we got a paintbrush, but I'm sure that'll make sense later. We also have some tweezers. I'm assuming these are like take apart the I don't know why it says ED3, but I'm supposing these are to pull out the things. So just put that back in this little holder right there. Alright, and then we got the Joy-Cons themselves. Look really nice. Way better than the ones I had. Hope they have amiibo.
To all the people who don't know what amiibo is, it's basically a little figure that you could scan on your Nintendo Switch controller and it would basically work in your game, so that's what it means.
Then we got the screwdriver. Yeah, this is the one that actually like takes apart the stuff. I'm assuming you could just do this too while spinning, because it has like a spinny thing on the back. And then I do not know what this is to, but I guess it's to unscrew something on the inside. Yeah, that doesn't fit that. Okay. Next, we also have these little grips that I'm actually going to try out now on my old Joy-Cons. Because why not? Who doesn't like some grips? So let's put this aside. Oh yeah, I also got these things, but I only want to do that until last, because I don't want to lose those. So let's just set those aside right now. Okay, so oh, come on. Alright. These came with the parts, and well, it doesn't work good without the grip one, but let's do this one. Well, they look like I just put like a piece of candy. They look like I just put like a piece of candy on them, but they surely do. Surely do feel okay. Way better than I thought they would. These are all just basically the same. They're super hard to get on, but yeah. I'm going to put these in my accessory box. So let's just put these back in this little baggie and move on to the rest. So I also got like a guitar pick and some extra screws. So I'm going to show you what the guitar pick is. It's basically a prying tool, but actually I have two prying tools that I want to show you. So let me just seal this up real fast and put that in my accessory drawer. Or my accessory shelf. Man, this is super uncomfortable to sit on. Okay, so now, here's some extra screws. Just hope I don't need these. Here's the guitar pick. Plastic, not metal. But, yeah, it's a prying tool, and then we also have another prying tool. Sharp. I could actually probably cut a box with this. Yeah, put some scratches on my box right there. So yeah, that's basically everything. So, I am going to be watching some YouTube videos on how to repair these things. And while I am repairing my first thing ever. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys actually talking once I'm like halfway done or something. I don't know, but I will see you guys in the time lapse. Oh, okay. So I have to hard reset my Switch is because I got the Joy-Con repaired, but my Switch wouldn't come on when I went to go test it. Okay, so here's before and here's after. Way better. Look, so here's the right part, the metal part, and here's the plastic part. Yeah, complete crap. So I couldn't do the second one is because this analog stick is busted or something. So I'm gonna have to order another one of those. But let's just jump to the day where the parts come in. I just got done playing Animal Crossing, and oh my goodness, it's phenomenal. It's fantastic. I had no problems with it. The only problems I had with drifting was my right controller looking around in the camera view inside of my home. But besides that, everything works fine. I really like... got something on my face. It's not dirt. It's my mustache. I'm growing a mustache. Holy crap, I have a mustache. Anyway, I'm chilling in my hammock because I have it tied to 2 trees. But anyway, I have to go look up a part, but the only problem I had with it was the right controller. The thing kept falling off of the Switch while I was playing it in handheld mode. And I also want to know if comments are enabled in this video, which they should be. Can somebody tell me why the graphics in Asphalt 9 like glitch like all over the place? Maybe the graphics card doesn't get enough power. It doesn't do it when it's in docked mode. It actually sounds pretty. Guys, I'm sorry, but I did it off camera. No more right controller coming off. I'm sorry guys, I did it off camera just because I wanted to get this over with. And, yeah. I'm going to be playing some Animal Crossing with my controllers because I want to get them to die. Because I might have to plug in the battery connector thing. Like, it's super hard to see. Oh, man. It's super hard to see, but this won't focus, but you can't really see it, but there's some connectors in there that actually charge the Switch. And I'm just gonna play with my, there it is. I'm just gonna play with my, Switch controllers just so I can, get them to start dying. Instead of using my Pro controller. But, yeah. Okay, well. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in, like, I don't know when. Good morning, Planty. There you go. There's some water for you. Why'd you pee? So, I screwed up. Oh, that scared me. I screwed up really bad. So, if I gotta turn on some lights because I just woke up and I don't know what the time is. So, there's a reason why the blue Joy-Con is in the bag. It's because I was stupid and I thought that I didn't put all the connections on properly. And if you look, I am missing a screw. The screw has been missing for the entire day. I vacuumed the carpet, tried to suck it up, couldn't find it. I legitimately don't know where the screw is. So right now, we just have a defective Joy-Con with missing a screw. I mean, I could probably buy another one off of Amazon, but I don't trust any of those screws. Is because, see all those like scratches? Yeah, that's because this kit came with some extra screws. I don't need these. And oh my goodness, they were the most faultiest things in the world to where I threw them away. Because as soon as I put them in there, they stripped almost immediately. So, note to self, if you're going to take something apart, do it not where there's a carpeted area. Because, like, those screws are, like, really, really tiny. So I only have a Joy-Con instead of multiple. So, gotta go on Amazon and look for some more screws. Woohoo. Why is there dust on the heater? Who did So, yep, that's what I gotta do today. Guys, it's coming. If you open up internet and you go over to Amazon and you come over here to orders, I got some new parts and I've got some new controller sticks because one of them was malfunctioning, so let's hope this one works. Alright, well that was an update. I'll see you once they get here. Just grab this. It came. They came, already got set up. Need my tripod. There it is. Alright. So I got this. So now, let's do some repair, I guess.
And with that, let's go cue the time lapse.
And there you have it, guys. So, real fast, I fixed everything. It's working. Now, all we gotta do, as you can see, it's like not calibrated properly. So now we gotta go calibrate. Alright, there you have it, guys. So, now, this should work. So my Switch should be driftless now. So, this was a fun project to build, or to repair. So, thank you all
so much for watching this video. I know it took a while, and I'm telling you, thank you for the 50 likes that I got on my other video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more of this stuff, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for more. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm going to put it in the dock and never touch it again unless I go over a friend's house, because I usually play it at home.
Whee! T vlogs. Rah!